So today we learn calculation of or computation of fertility rates. So there are different fertility rates where we learn fertility rate, that is birth rate, that is per thousand individuals or per thousand women, how many labors are taking place. So to study them we have four different methods: crude birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, and last one, total fertility rate. So here first one, crude fertility rate or crude birth rate. So crude, the name itself indicates that here crude means kacha, so that is doesn't separate it or segregate it. So it's a mix up of all, everything. So mix up of both male and female population. It doesn't consider those who give birth to the babies, that is females. So it takes all persons, male and female both takes into account. That is why this method is called as, this rate is called as crude birth rate, and it considers live births. So male population and live births. So overcoming this demerit, that is considering the male population while calculating fertility rate, actually those who doesn't give births to the babies, okay, skipping that, and again females, all female will not give birth to the babies. The babies which we learned yesterday, the woman of childbearing age only will give birth to the babies, that is 15 years to 49-year age females. So taking into account only those females who are belongs to childbearing age. So second fertility rate is given, that is general fertility rate, where females of 15 to 49 years females are considered, and both live births are taken into account here. And here again we have taken into account a specific population, that is females of childbearing age, those who give actual birth to the babies. But still here it includes all females. Every female of 15 to 49 year age will not give birth, and fertility rate belongs to different age group females, differs here. Suppose 15 year to 19 year, or 15 year, 16 year, 17 year. So like that, if we take into account each age, their individual age fertility rate differs. So taking into account that, now next fertility rate, that is age specific fertility rate. Age specific fertility rate is calculated here, and here females of 15 to 49 years, no doubt, and live births both are there. We calculate specific age fertility rate, that is specific age we take into account and calculate fertility rate. Suppose if you want to calculate fertility rate for age old of 15 years, then we calculate for 15 years ASFR for 15-year aged females. Or if you want to calculate ASFR for particular aged group females, for example 15 to 19, 20 to 30, or 30 to 40, like that. If you want to calculate for particular group, then we can calculate here and even individual age group. And but still here all these three, crude birth rate, general fertility rate, and age specific fertility rate, here we can calculate fertility rate, but still they cannot be used for comparison with other locations. So here crude birth rate we can compare, and we can tell only whether there is a growth of population or not. Compared to last year, how much population has increased we can tell. But we cannot compare with other locations because it has included both male and female populations. And general fertility rate, no doubt it has included females but still we can't compare with other location here because different age group females may vary in different locations, and age specific rate, with help of it finally we calculate total fertility rate. So here total fertility rate is nothing but sum total of ASFRs 15 to 49 age. So all 35 ASFR we calculate, and sum total of all ASFR is as considered here total fertility rate, and here TFR is used for comparison purpose. We can compare with other location calculating TFR. Now let us learn them by solving a problem and taking a formula here. So as I said here, population fertility rate is calculated per thousand. So ASFR here, proved birth rate per thousand individuals. So total population we take both male and female and total live births. So formula here becomes live birth divided by male plus female population into 1000. So one more thing we should remember, live births. So the baby which born alive is taken into account here. If the baby born after dying in the womb of the mother, it is not taken into account. If the baby born alive and next moment if it dies, that also is considered here as a live birth. But if it born dying in the wombs of mother, that is not considered here. Okay. Then second one, general fertility. So live births divided by females of 15 to 49 age group into 1000, and ASFR live births in that particular age group. For what particular age group we are calculating ASFR, that live births in that particular age group divided by females in that particular age group into 1000, and here TFR. While solving the problem, we learn the formula there. The next concept is in fertility rate, age specific fertility rate. So first one, age specific fertility rate. That is in short called as ASFR. So what is this ASFR? So earlier we calculated CBR, crude birth rate, and GFR, general fertility rate. In calculation of these two fertility rates, we have taken into account total live births and total population irrespective of gender for calculation of CBR, and total female population of childbearing age for calculation of GFR. So here total of that particular population and live births are taken into account here, and we already discussed that GFR and CBR cannot be used for comparison purpose, that is comparison of fertility rate with other locations. So for the same location we can compare with the previous year. The changes between previous year and current year we can do, but we cannot compare with other locations. So to overcome that, now we are calculating ASFR, because in different age group the population will vary. For example, 15 to 49 year, the females in between these age group will give birth to the babies, and in each age or each particular age group the woman population may vary, and again the births occurring in particular age or age group females also vary. So that we can estimate here for in which age group or in which age female are giving more births, and that will help in calculation of next fertility rate, that is total fertility rate, and that is used to calculate used to compare with other location. So first discuss what is ASFR, age specific fertility rate. The name itself indicates that here fertility rate is calculated for ages, individual age females or a particular group of particular age group of females. So here the formula to calculate ASFR is number of live births, number of live births in a specified age group in the year divided by total number of women in that particular age group in the year into 1000. So that means here number of live births for a specific age group or aged woman. Suppose we are calculating fertility rate for 15-year aged females. Then births occur to only 15-year aged females is taken here, and total females of age 15 are taken here. Suppose if you are calculating fertility rate for particularly 15 to 19 age group, then total number of live births occurred to the women of aged 15 to 19 years are taken divided by females of 15 to 19 age group for that location during the year. Okay. Now, in short, okay. So we can write this. Next concept is total fertility rate, that is TFR, total fertility rate. So total fertility rate, as I said, it is calculated to compare with other location. So one of the important and major fertility rate in fertility rates. So here total fertility rate, it's the sum total of all ASFRs. If we calculate ASFR for age 15, 16, 17, 18 up to 49, that is total 35 ASFR. If we calculate, sum total of all these ASFR is total fertility rate. So that we can write here TFR is equal to summation of I is equal to 15 to 49 ASFRs of IAG. So that we can say TFR is equal to annual ASFR, summation of annual ASFR. But in practical, it is not easy, or it takes much time to calculate 35 age group, and we cannot get all 35 age group of females and live births. So what we do here, we make a group of 5 age groups, total 7 groups, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. So like that up to 45 to 49, total 7 age group we prepare. And for that each age group, how many live births are taken place? By taking them into account, we calculate ASFRs for 7 age group and taking that. So now the formula becomes TFR is equal to 5, that is width or total 5 age group. Okay, so 5 into summation quinquennial ASFRs. So quinquennial ASFRs means here total 7 age group of 5 age groups, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, total 7 age group. For that we calculate ASFRs, and by taking the total we multiply it to 5. Then we get total fertility rate. And here ASFR we can calculate for individual age and also for particular age groups. And now we have a problem here. Calculate ASFR for 15 to 24. and also TFR. So to calculate TFR, we need to calculate 7 ASFRs here. As here 7 age groups are given: 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44 and 45 to 49. And female populations. Female population from 15 to 49 age group, and live births to that particular age groups is given here. Now let us calculate first question, that is ASFR for age group 15 to 24. So 15 to 24 means how many groups covers here? 15 to 19 and 20 to 24. So these two age groups, if we merge, we get females of 15 to 19 and 24, total altogether 15 to 24, and live births occur to 15 to 24 age females. So first here ASFR 15 to 24 is equal to, so formula will be number of live births occur to a female of age group of 15 to 24 in the year divided by total number of women in the particular in the age group 15 to 24 in the year into 1000. So how many live births are there between both age group here? 600 plus 725 divided by female population for those two age group is 3000 plus 2900 into 1000. So we get 600 plus 725. 600 plus 725 is 1325 divided by 3000 plus 2900 is 5900 into 1000. So ASFR for 15 to 24 age group is 224.5763. So total live births for those 15 to 24 age group is 1325 divided into 1000. Okay. Now here ASFR for 15 to 24 is 224.5743, and the next calculation is TFR. So the TFR formula here is TFR is equal to 5 into quinquennial ASFR. We are not calculating any individual age ASFRs here. So the formula will be, for calculation of TFR, the formula is 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFRs. Okay. So first one ASFR will calculate here. ASFR 15 to 19 is equal to, so what is the female population in 15 to 19 age group? 600, and female population is 3000. So 600 divided by 3000 into 1000. So ASFR for 15 to 19 age group is 600 divided by 3000 into 1000. That is 200. So the ASFR for first age group, I write here ASFR for first 15 to 19 age group is 200. And the next second one, 20 to 24. For 20 to 24 age group, ASFR is 725 live births divided by 2900 females divided into 1000. So we get 250. And likewise for remaining 25 to 29, 700 live births divided by 2800 females into 1000. That is 250. Next 400 live births divided by 3200 population into 1000. That is 125. 130 divided by 2600 into 1000. That is 50. And next 50 divided by 2500 into 1000. that is 20, and last one 6 divided by 2400 into 1000 is equal to 2.5. 2.5 is the ASFR for last age group. Now make the total of this column. 200 plus 250 plus 250 plus 125 plus 50 plus 20 plus 2.5, that is 897.5. Now TFR formula is TFR is equal to 5 into summation of quinquennial ASFR, that is 897.5. So TFR is equal to 897.5 into 5, that is 4487.5. So TFR is 4487.5. So this is per thousand again. This is per thousand. So if the question is asked to find individual age, individual woman TFR or average TFR, then divide it by 1000. If you divide it by 1000, we get per woman TFR per woman. So if you divide it by 1000, that is TFR per woman is equal to TFR divided by 1000, that we get here 4.48. So 4.48 means 4.5, that is on an average per woman 4.48 live births will take place or occurs. So here now we have calculated the TFR for only one location. When we calculate TFR for more than one location, then we can use that to compare with the other locations. So whichever location TFR is less, that is not healthier. When we are comparing TFR, that is fertility rate, so here if live births are more, that is if TFR per woman or TFR is more, that location we can say it as healthier because are more fertile. We say here the location which has higher TFR is more fertile because it considers that, it tells that, or it assumes that if TFR is more, the medical facility and nutrition, food and various things which are required for the humanity or human population are available there. If everything is available there, then there will be more fertility and more live births. If nutrition, food or medical facilities are not available, then fertility rate will be less. So when two populations are given, higher the TFR, more fertile the location.